Hello and welcome to the shed. In today's video we're going to be doing a mild restoration on this turning saw. Hope you enjoy. So at a quick glance at this, it's got a piece of braided wire at the top which we'll replace with a proper piece of string. It does have a blunt blade which I won't be tackling in this video. I've got to work out exactly how to sharpen this, so I will have a video coming up on how we sharpen blades on these really thin ones. We'll see how that one goes. That'll be a learning video for me at the same time as for you. So let's jump down here. We'll take it apart, have a bit of a look at everything, give it all a mild clean up. I'll be using this the penetrating cleaning polish that I made in a previous video for cleaning this up. So sit back, relax and enjoy. So there you have it, folks. That's the quick restoration of this bow saw. You can see that I managed to remove a few little flecks of paint, but for the most part this is sort of like the natural tannins of the timber and sort of the natural oils and greases of the fingers over time. So I could have removed a lot more, but all I really wanted to do was just clean the external dirt off it, put it back together so it can operate and be used, and that's exactly what we've done. Replace that wire with the paracord. Did a much better job. It's got much better tension on the actual blade than it did before, because we can actually operate the twist piece as intended. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up down below. While you're down there, hit that big red subscribe button. Don't forget to select the bell and select all so you don't miss out on any notifications for new videos. And if you'd like to see another great video as the one you've seen here today, do check out the video just here where I show you the quickest, easiest way to restore a hand plane. Bye for now.